So this is the MAP, whatever it's called, sensor. I mean, oh my god, it is. Why is this phone not focusing on it? Here we go. No, still, yeah. It's full of garbage and stuff. And I'm cleaning it with oven cleaner, and after that with some contact spray, and I will show you how I took it off. It is terrible. Just look at how much garbage is coming out of it. Maybe I should have used gloves. And this is what it looks like right now. I mean, you can actually see the sensor itself, not like before. There we go, this is a better look. We'll wait for it a bit to dry and we'll put it on the car. And this is where the sensor is located, on top of the intake manifold. You just have to take the engine cover of the car. It goes like there, one torque screw, and here torque screw, and here is the plug. Pretty simple operation. And here he goes. You have to press a little bit on it because it has a rubber seal. In goes the bolt. Nice and tight. Only one torque screw over there, sorry about this light, and the plug. Until it clicks, and there it goes. So this is a D4 engine Volvo, 181 horsepower from 2014. Very easy operation and a must do. Every, I don't know, 50,000 kilometers I recommend you do this. Hope you enjoyed this video and find it helpful. Bye.